Hello everyone, how are you? Jacob here, and today I'm going to show you how to festively use some scrap material from cut up sweatshirts and whatever else that you're using at home. And today we're going to be making these cute little wreaths. All they are is a thin metal bar, and at the end of them, if you can see, I've got these two loops. And today I'm going to show you how to make cute little wreaths. So we have one end tied off here. You could use needle nose pliers or anything like that. And on this other end, I have looped a ton of sweatshirt pieces that we didn't need, which we have a ton of, and it will happen all the time. So we're gonna make something cute and festive out of it. So let's do it. So at the end here, I left a little bit of the loop open. And you just want to find the center-ish part and give it a little pull through. You don't have to keep a pattern, you don't have to be precise or anything like that. Just do what feels right and let the spirit move you. So I'm going to take a couple more of these and loop them through. And they don't have to be this size, they could be bigger than this. If you think this is small, then right on. We have a couple small ones that I'll show you too that I think you guys will really like. So yeah, and these pieces, they don't have to be the same size, they don't have to correspond. Just keep them a general same length, but yeah, anything will work beautifully. And we're just no pattern, no nothing to it. Sometimes it might be a little hard to get it through there, but you get the idea. And then, in case we want to change these, or maybe we find something else that we could use these materials for, at the end of these, we keep this cute little loop here and put this on last so you can always find where your loop is, because believe me, it is hard to find them if it's not right there. So I think you guys get the general idea of this, but before I go, I want to show you a couple of the small ones we have too. And I really like the moving away from traditional Christmas colors, the popping reds, the popping greens, to something a little more warmer. So this one we have here is gorgeous. And again, they could be as big or small as you want. Find your loops. This one isn't, I must have messed up. This one's not where it should be, but it's not like it's a mile long. And then this one here, I like the use of the blues and the whites, and it feels very snowy and just a beautiful aesthetic. So anything you can think of to do, whether it be Christmas, anything, reuse materials, use your scraps, and be creative with it, because that's the best part. Jacob signing out.